So in this video, I'm going to explain how to sketch on a surface and then remove material. So I have my material here for my boat hull. I'm going to start 2D sketch and select on that top surface. It rotates my view, and I'm just going to bring this into frame for you so you can see. Now, my line tool, I'm going to select my line tool and I'm going to start in this top corner. In this top corner, you can see that the dot goes green. That indicates that that's going to start exactly in that corner. I'm going to left click. Now I want to come down 30 millimeters. So I type in 30 and whoops. Oh, let's try that again. So we're going to delete that line. So line tool. I'm going to come down 30, hit enter. Now my line is still attached. Now I need to come to the center of this material at the front. So as I come down the line, I'm going to get a green dot. That's going to tell me that that's at that center point. I'm going to left click. Now at the moment, I've only drawn 2 lines, so this is still open. So I need to close this. I'm going to left click here. I'm going to swing down. Dot's going to go green. I'm going to left click again. So now I have an enclosed triangle. Now I'm going to repeat this on this side. So I'm going to start in the center this time. Now, neat little trick with Inventor. As I come towards the other line, as I come in line, I get this dotted line. That tells me that it's going to be the same dimension. So I can come to this corner. I actually don't have to redimension anything because I've already done it once. So now I have 2 fully enclosed triangles, and I can actually remove this front material now. I'm going to press finish sketch. My view rotates, as you can see. Now I'm going to select the extrude button. We know how to extrude and add material. I'm going to talk about how to remove material. So I'm going to make sure profile is selected. I'm going to select this top face and this top face. So my 2 triangles that I just drew. In the middle here, we have join, we've cut, we've intersect. So I'm going to select cut, and immediately it goes to remove that material. And red means we're going to take it away. Now, in the event that this dimension is wrong, let's say this dimension was 10, right, and I wanted to go all the way through, I would just have to change that to the appropriate dimension. Can I go further? I can, but I don't need to. I just need 19. Once I'm happy with that dimension, I press OK, and that material is now gone. Now, like with everything, always make sure you save after you are done doing some work. Just going to save over that part. And there we go.